evening, guys. I'm going to make a new video about how to use the trimming table. So let's start, guys. Vessel is a Panamax vessel, and the name of the vessel is MB Max Panama, and she's going to load uh, 250 metric tons of ballast water to Porpic tank, and what will be his draft after loading 200 metric tons of ballast water in Porpic tank. And initial drop forward is 11.87 and up is 12.64. So this is the exercise of 7.11. So let's investigate by our program. So we start with this one. So the forward drop is 11.87. So we put here 11.87 forward drop 87. And updraft is 12.64. 12.64. So we put updraft 12.64. 12.64. Okay. And the problem says we have to put 200, 250, 250 metric tons of ballast water to Porpic tank. So we put Porpic tank. Porpic tank is 250 metric tons. Positive because if you load cargo, it should be positive, so it will be 250 positive, and the LCG of Porpic tank is negative 102.9. So we can see that LCG of Porpic. So Porpic, we go to this capacity table. Porpic tank. Porpic tank LCG is 102.99. So LCG is 102.9. Oh, sorry. LCG is 102.9. Okay. So once you loaded the Porpic tank of 250 metric tons, and final drop would be forward with 12.02, 12.04, and up drop would be 12.54, which is, and your main drop is 12.29, and your trim is 0.54. So if you make your as practice, if you make your initial drop and you put your forward and up drop, you will have a main drop. So with your main drop, by actual practice, you take your actual drop of your mid, port, and starboard. So for example, you have knowledge your mid port will be 12.525, 12.25, port will be 12.25, 25, and your starboard mid will be 12.25. Okay, so meaning your mid drop will be 12.25 BTU. You have no list, just for example, and your trim is 0.77. Once you have loaded after peak tank of 250 metric tons, this will be your final drop. Forward will be 12.04 and up drop will be 12.54. Your new trim will be 0.50, which is less, and your main drop will be 12.29. So this will be your final mid drop, 12.29. So you put your mid drop here, 12.29. 12.29. So the recommended cargo you're going to load is 255. But the problem says you have to load only 250. But the program recommends 255. Anyway, we just follow what is said in the program, which is 250. So when you load 250, you will get forward of 12.04 and 12.54. So we investigate this one by trimming table, okay? So we go by trimming table. In trimming table, your main drop should be 12.25. That is your main drop, present main drop. So with this main drop, you investigate this one in your trimming table. So you go, nearest is 12.12 meters from your 12.25. So forward, you get correction of forward enough. So you for peak, the correction forward will be 6.9 and up drop correction will be 6.36. Okay, 6.9 up forward, 6.9 and up will be negative 3.8. So we go to the trimming table. Sorry, trimming table. This will be our trimming table. So here you're going to load 250 metric tons of 4 peak tank. That will be 250. Okay, and forward correction is 6.9. That is here. Forward is 6.9 and up correction is negative 3.8, which is this one, negative 3.8. That is the nearest main drop of 12 meters because you have a main drop of 12.25. So you get these two values, okay? Then for your trimming table, 250, you divide this by 100, so the ratio will be 2.5. And 6.9 multiplied by 250, you will have a value of 12.25. And your correction up of negative 3.8 times, I think this one, let me check, equals, I think this one, negative 3.8 times 2.5 will be this one, negative 9.5. Okay, and with this correction, you will the correction of 12 point forward, sub forward will be 1270.25 and up correction will be negative 9.5 total. So with this figure, apply this to your initial drop of 11.87 and you will get a value of 12.25. 12.04, and for updraft will be, if you apply this one to your updraft of 12.64, you will have a value of, you have a value of 12.55. Okay, so here's another solution here. So since this one is designed for 2 holes, so we will not use this formula. So we retain the forward drop of 11.87 and updraft of 12.64. Okay, which is this one, the initial drop. Then in the second solution, you put your perfect tank value of 250 tons. So the 250 divided by 100 will be 2.5, which is this one. Okay, so 2.5 multiplied by 6.9. So 2.5 multiplied by 6.9, you have a value of 17.25, which is this one. Okay, same. So up correction, negative 3.8 multiplied by 2.5, you have a value of 9.5. Okay, so 9.5. So this negative 3.8 multiplied by 2.5, you get a value of 3.8. Then you will have negative 9.5. So with this figure, initial drop forward, to get this value of 12.24, which is this one, so 11.87 initial drop, apply the forward correction of 0.173. So how did we get this one? 0.173. Oh, this is one. So divide this one by 100, so you will have 0.173. 0.173. This one. So divide this for up correction. Divide this 100, you will have negative 0.095. So forward will be add and up will be subtract. That's why you will have this figure. Okay, so when you add this one, this will be 3, this will be 14, up, this will be 9, 0, that will be 12. Okay, when you deduct this one, this will be 5, 13 will be 4, that will be 5, and 12. Okay, so with this figure, divide 17.250 divide by 100, then you add this one with this 11 point initial drop, and you will get 4. So this is the formula. Okay, to get the formula, we can go to the program itself. Okay, we go to the that one, table 3, is done. So we got here example 250, then we got the 4 peak tank, sorry, for data, then you get it 250, 250, okay, take out this one, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. And the forward correction is how much? Forward correction is 6.9. So 6.9. 6.9. And your up correction is negative 3.8. Negative 3.8. 3.8. Okay. And your mid drop is, how much is your mid drop? 12.29. 12.29. 12.29. Your initial drop is 11.87, and your updraft is 12.64. So your min drop is 12.255, and your mid drop was, your mid drop is 12.29. Okay, your mid drop. Okay, so by this program, you will have a final forward drop of 12.04 and updraft of 12.55. So how do I get this figure? It says here C17. C17 is this initial drop plus F14, which is F14. F14 is this one. Divide by 100. Divide this by 100. Then you add this with F17 or C17, which is your initial drop. So first divide this value by 100, then you add this to your initial drop, which is this one. So you already divide this by 100, and you add this with the initial drop, then you will get 12.64. Okay. So this one divide by 100, and your updraft is H14, which is H14, which is this one. Divide this by 100, and you add this with your initial drop minus with your initial drop forward 12.6. You will have 12.55. So with that, again we check this one. So this one divide by 100, we will have negative 0.95 minus your initial drop of 12.64, then you will have the value of 12.54. Okay, so that will be this one. Now you get this one, 54, and you have a treatment. This is another solution aside from this one, but it's the same. This is designed for 2 holes, so we disregard with this first one. So maintain the initial drop 11.87 forward and up is 12.64 forward. So, yeah. So we bring this down, then we will load 4 peak of 200 metric tons. Divide this by 100, you will get 2.5. So to get the correction forward is 6.9, put it here, and correction up is 3 point negative 3.8. So this is the correction forward and up. So 6.9 multiplied by 2.5 will be 17.12.17.25. Okay, and negative 3.8 multiplied by 2.5, that will be 9.5. Okay, so divide this by 100, that will be 17 point 0.173. Okay, so divide this by 100, that will be 0.173, and divide this 100 will be 0.0995. Then you apply this correction with this one. So L10, which is this one, divide by 100 plus your initial drop of this one. So you will get, so divide this 100, once after the value, you add that to your initial drop, then you will have 12.4. And this one, divide this 100 minus your initial drop, then you will get 12.55. So almost the same, but here you get 12.55, but according the solution says you will get 12.54, so it's just broadened out, so it's the same. Okay, so this is it, guys. So with this drop, you got the 12.4, your final drop. Up drop is 12.55, and your main drop will be 12.29. Add this one, divide by 2, you the main drop, and your mid drop is the same with this, and your trim is 12.5. The reason why I usually get the mid and win, so that you will know your deflection. Here the deflection is 0, so there's no deflection. So if you go to the solution here, or the formula or the program, the mid drop is 12.29, which is this one, and your main drop is 12.294, which is this one. So you have a deflection of 0. So with this figure, you will know your deflection of how much. So in this case, the deflection is 0. And with this program, to get this sinkage or sunrise, this is the formula. So the cargo will be 250 metric tons, which is you put in your forfeit, and the TPC of your final mean, so the TPC final made will be 12.29, which is this one. 12.29, so the TPC will be 63.84, which is this one, and TPC is 63.84. Divide by 100, and you get a value of sinkage or rise of 0.039, which is this one. So you add this one, then you add your change of drop forward, change of drop up, and you get a value of this one. Okay, so this will be your change of drop forward and change of drop up with this one. Okay, so that's it, guys. So with this formula, you can with this program you can actually get your final drop once you put your uh, weight on the forpick, and you will get your final drop. But since we are going to use the trimming table, uh, we can also use the trimming table by this one. Sorry, table. I think some more. This one. So you can use this one. This is initial draft, and then this is with the final. This is one program of trimming table. This is another solution of the trimming table. So I just put it in writing here, so it's easy for you to follow. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you like this one, this program. If you like this, click the bottom like, share, and subscribe. If you wish to have this program, I will gladly to give it for you for free. Just send a message or comment below, and give me your email ad, and I will gladly send it to you by free. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.